Hello, and welcome to our Accountable webinar. My name is Jennifer. I'm tax coach here at Accountable, and today I have the honor of presenting you with our e-invoicing in Germany webinar. I will go through the presentation slides, and at the end, you will also have the possibility to ask any questions that you may have. You will also receive an automatic email after this session with a recording of the session, including the slides as well. So yeah, I'll just get started and feel free to ask your questions in the chat already throughout the presentation if you have any. And then after I'm done, I'll come back to the chat and I'll answer everything live. All right, then I would say let's get started. So as I already mentioned, I'm Jennifer, tax coach here at Accountable. And today I will be presenting you with the e-invoicing webinar. And just as a small overview of our mission here at Accountable. So our mission is to make life easier for self-employed by taking away all the stress of tax returns and also your bookkeeping. In that regard, we also now have Accountable Banking, which is a free business account that you can open up with Accountable. It offers all the services that you would expect from a traditional bank. We also follow the same strict regulations and standards. And with this way, you can easily manage your business account, make payments, receive transfers, all in one platform, which would be Accountable. Now, for all of our users with our previous Grow or Pro plans, or also for the Invoicing Plus Bookkeeping and Taxes plan, you can set up a free business account with your German IBAN. And we also have an automatic tax saving tool. That means based on the data that you provide or that you upload in Accountable, meaning your revenues and expenses, your tax declarations are automatically prepared, and we also calculate how much you would need to set aside for your taxes. And with our Accountable Banking bank account, you can basically always set aside what you would need for taxes so that at the end of the year, once you need to make all of those payments, you have enough set aside. In those plans, you also get a free virtual debit MasterCard. And for our Max users, you have the additional feature of creating up to 10 additional sub-accounts, which all have their individual IBAN. And you also get a free physical MasterCard. If you have any questions regarding to Accountable Banking, feel free to send them in the chat as well. However, for these questions, I will need to forward them to our Accountable Banking team, but I'm happy to do so, and then they will get back to you with answer and support with your questions. All right, moving on with our agenda for today. So I'll just quickly go over what you can do in Accountable if you need any help. Then I'll provide a small introduction into e-invoicing and the legal requirements. Then I'll show you how you can create these using Accountable. Then I'll quickly go over Peppol, which is a transmission channel for e-invoices. And at the end, we have a small software comparison between different e-invoicing providers. And lastly, you'll have the possibility to ask all your questions. All right, starting off with what you can do if you need some help. So we have our AI tax advisor integrated and accountable. You can ask them any questions that you may have and regarding also to specific invoices or expenses that you may have, and you will also receive an immediate answer. Now, if the question is too complex for our AI tax advisor, you also obviously always have the possibility to reach out to us tax coaches, and you can do so by clicking on Talk to a Tax Coach Now directly under the answer that the AI tax advisor has provided for you. Alternatively, you can also contact us anytime via email. All right, then we also have a help center. So here we have a variety of articles and also step-by-step guides to different questions. So for example, in this case, the home office expense, how you can add this in Accountable. And so yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to check out our help center and see if you find an article or step-by-step guide. And if not, then again, you can always reach out to us tax coaches. In Accountable itself, you also get some tips and suggestions. So if, for example, there is a discrepancy, or in this case that you forgot to fill out a specific information, you will be able, or Accountable will make you aware of this, and then you will be able to make any changes necessary. Again, if you're unsure of how to properly encode something, feel free to reach out to us. Then we also have a document repository. So this is basically a tool integrated and accountable where you can upload all of your important documents that you may have in regards to your self-employment or your business. So you can also upload, for example, letters that you receive from the tax office. And this way you have all your documents securely stored in one place. The additional bonus of our document repository is that your documents are automatically checked by our AI, and you also receive a small summary of what is being communicated to you in this document. So, especially for tax office letters, which may be somewhat complex, you can just simply ask your questions in regard to that document, and our AI will be able to help you. Now, again, if you're still unsure, feel free to reach out to us, and you can also send us your tax letters if you need to. And yeah, you can upload any documents that you may need, and this way they're all stored in one space safely. So if you have any questions in regards to that, feel free to reach out, and I'll be able to answer at the end. All right, before we move on to our next point on our agenda, I just wanted to highlight that we also have a variety of different webinars in regards to different topics. So feel free to yeah, look through the different webinars that we offer, and maybe there's something interesting for you there as well. All right, moving on to the e-invoicing aspect of the webinar today. So we'll start off with an introduction and the legal requirements. So what exactly is an e-invoice? So an e-invoice is an electronic document which has a structured format. So an example, a XML file. And this invoice enables electronic processing without any media breaks. And why is this important? The legal requirement for B2B invoices is existent in Germany since January 1st, 2025. And the main goal is basically simply to increase efficiency and have fewer errors in accounting. Now, according to the paragraph 14 of the German VAT Act, e-invoices must be structured and allow electronic processing. And it's also part of the Growth Opportunities Act, which is the introduction of mandatory e-invoicing in the B2B segment, which means basically business to business segment. Until the end of 2026, paper invoices or PDF invoices remain possible if the recipient consents. Now, from 2027 onwards, it is mandatory for e-invoicing for all companies that have an annual revenue over 800,000 euros the previous year. And from 2028, it's mandatory for all B2B transactions. Now, there are some exceptions. So example, if you have any invoices that are not B2B, so if they are to end consumers, and also for small invoices that are under 250 euros, there you do not require e-invoices. All right, then already moving over to how you can create these with Accountable. So in Accountable, you can create e-invoices. We have here two different formats, which is X-Rechnung and Zugpferd format. And the creation is done automatically. You simply have to create an invoice, add your client data and also your services or products that you're providing. And then you can select your desired format, and your invoice has been created automatically as an e-invoice. Now, companies are required also to be able to receive and process e-invoices, which you can do with Accountable. You can also import these e-invoices. And there is an additional tool which is called Peppol. This is also a platform that allows the exchange of e-invoicing across different European countries. However, no worries, I'll go into that depth a little bit later in the presentation. But yeah, so PEPL is a method to receive the e-invoices as well. You can also do email or other transmission channels. Now, in regards to storing, the e-invoices must be kept for 8 years, and the archiving must be audit-proof, unchangeable, and readable at any time. So basically, that the e-invoices must be stored by GOBD compliance, and which is what Accountable offers. So in this case, you can also use Accountable for sending, storing, and receiving your e-invoices. And in Accountable, your data will be secured. Even if you change from a paid plan to a free plan, all of your data that you have previously uploaded will remain available in the free plan. Only if you actually delete your Accountable account, then your data will also be deleted. So make sure that you have previously exported all of your data and saved this as well to be able to maintain GOBD compliance. Now, how exactly do you create an invoice in Accountable? So you simply go to your income section and click on create a new invoice. Then you have the possibility to upload your logo, and you can also choose a different variety of fonts, colors, and also templates to individualize your invoice a little bit. Then you simply add your customer details and the services or products. And then once you are satisfied and completed your invoice, you can click on continue, and then you can either save and prepare to send it, or you can immediately download it as an e-invoice. So you have the possibility to download it as a Zugpferd invoice or as an X-Rechnung invoice. Yeah, so those are your two options. However, you can also directly save and prepare to send it. So that would look like this. Here you then add the email address of the recipient, and at the bottom you can see that the e-invoice has already been added in the Zugpferd format and also in a regular PDF format. Then you can send a test email to yourself, or you can immediately send the invoice to your client. All right, now I will quickly go over PEPL as a transmissions channel. So what exactly is PEPL? So PEPL stands for Pan-European Public Procurement Online. And it's basically just a Europe-wide network that enables the standardized exchange of business documents. So in Germany, since 2025, sending e-invoices via PEPL has been mandatory for B2G transactions. That means if you need to send any invoices to any governmental organizations. Now, many companies and public authorities prefer PEPL standard for invoice exchange. So depending on what your client prefers, you can also set up PEPL in Accountable. I will go over that in a second as well. The advantages here would be that it enables exchange between also different systems and countries. All your documents are encrypted, and they all meet the legal requirements for electronic invoicing. So now, if you would like to use PEPL as a transmission channel, you can also do so with Accountable. However, this is currently only possible if you are on a paid plan. And at the moment, you cannot register yourself on PEPL. If you are on a paid plan and you would like to use PEPL as the transmissions channel, feel free to reach out to us tax coaches, and then we can help you register yourself with PEPL. All right, then we are already on our last point, which is just a small comparison of different e-invoicing softwares. So as you can see, Accountable is also on the list. So we do offer e-invoicing, also PEPL support, and GOBD compliant archiving. This is all possible also in our free plan. Now, LexOffice, FastBill, Zefdesk, and Datev also have these features. However, these come at an additional price, whereas Accountable in the free version, you can send an unlimited amount of e-invoices, and Yep. Store all of your data GOBD compliant, and the PEPL support would be for paid users. All right. That is pretty much all we have to e-invoices. So feel free to ask any questions that you may have,